you're seeing a side or daytime lights fault error on your BMW F10 5 Series, it's a fairly common issue and usually points to a problem with the TMS LED module that control the DRL, turn indicator light and headlight vertical aim control function, which resulting in one of them might be faulty or failing intermittently. We are going to perform a right TMS module replacement without the need to the bumper, headlight assembly, or the entire rim. Turn the front right wheel outward, which gives better access to the wheel arch liner and headlight access panel. Remove the two Phillips screws that secure the headlight access panel to the wheel arch fender liner and set them aside carefully. You'll now have access to the TMS module, which sits almost in line with the headlight access panel, which is secured by two Torx T8 screws. The inner Torx screw need a longer extension to unscrew at a slight angle, while the outer screw has direct access. Once the two screws are removed, gently wiggle the TMS to pull out the module at slight angle as seen in the video. Next, insert the new TMS module at slight angle and push gently to ensure secure connection. Let's check if the issues are resolved with this new TMS module before fastening the screws. Hooray! All the three faults were resolved with this direct plug and play TMS replacement module. All errors on the dashboard are gone and the right turn signal light is working normally now.